Hey, what's up guys, this is Saman here from Expert Gadgets. And welcome to another episode of Awesome Tech. And this time it's the month for February. So without any further delay, let's get this started. Now first up, we have the Deboom TiVo. TiVo is what's known as a personal pixel art assistant. It has a 16 by 16 pixel display and a Bluetooth speaker inside a very well designed retro TV case. On the front of the TiVo, you will find the controls in the form of rotating knobs and a single press button. And on the reverse side of the TiVo, you will find the power button, auxiliary port, reset button, USB charging port, and a TF card slot. As far as the TiVo's function as a speaker, it is actually not that bad. The sound is very clear and it does have a little bass to it. And it is not bad for a normal music listening session. Now coming to the app, it has a few quirks to it. I personally tried out the custom design screen, game, DJ mixer, and L editor. And you also have a lot of animations on the app that you can display on the TiVo as well. All in all, Deboom puts out some really cool looking products that play with light in a unique way. And being a fan of light and lighting effects, I really love the look of the TiVo and what it does. Next up, we have the Aki EPB Ad Bluetooth earphone. Inside the box, you'll get silicone ear tips, foam ear tips, a USB-C cable, and a silicone carrying pouch. Now coming to the earphone, it features two drivers, a dynamic driver to handle the bass and a balanced armature to handle the mids and highs. And the sound quality they produce is amazing. The mids and highs are crystal clear and the bass is very boomy as well. Now coming to the comfort, the earphones have around the ear design and foam ear tips that snugly fits in your ear. You also get inline controls to control music as well. And as far as battery is concerned, it will give you about 6 to 7 hours of use, and you can charge it via USB-C. All in all, if you want to get a nice pair of earbuds while saving a few bucks, then this is the perfect earphone for you. Next up, we have the Logitech Powered. Out of all the wireless charging devices I have tested, this is by far the best I have used so far. First of all, the build quality is sturdy. The stand has a very solid build with a soft touch finish around most of the sides. And this gives the phone a protective surface to lie against. And when on the bottom, this helps prevent the charger from moving about. When the phone is positioned horizontally, there are tiny grooves that prevent the phone from slipping and falling off. And the best thing is that this also functions as a great dock for your phone as well. The charger is also optimized for iPhones, so it delivers 7.5 watts of power, and the charger doesn't overheat as well. For those of you who love wireless charging, this is all you need. Next up, we have a RAV Power power bank. RAV Power has significantly improved the efficiency of its USB-C offerings. The 30-watt output is enough to charge and use the 12-inch MacBook and some of the MacBook Pro models. And all of them charge rapidly while in sleep mode. The power bank has a 26,800 mAh battery and outputs 5V at 5.5 amperes and each at 2.5 amperes max. It features 3 USB as output and a USB-C to charge the power bank itself. The build is very sturdy and the power bank is fairly easy to carry around on your backpack. And it also comes with the LED indicator to indicate charge. All in all, this power bank is very useful to charge most of your devices while at the home or on the go. Next up, we have the Thor Bluetooth headphones. The Thor C250 is a very well built and great sounding headphone. First of all, the build is solid and the headphones have soft foam that makes it comfortable. It also comes with a 3.5mm jack and a lightning connector for iPhones. Now coming to the sound, for a headphone just under $70, I was blown away with the sound it produced. The highs are lush and the mids are clear, where you have great emphasis on vocals. Plus the bass is very thumpy and it doesn't overpower the mids and highs. Overall, the sound is very well balanced. The battery here lasts about 12 hours in normal volume and the battery charges very quickly as well, so you're ready to go in no time. For the price it comes in, this headphone offers a lot more than you think, and it is well worth the buy. So that was it for this video guys. Do leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming content. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Saman signing out.